Dear students of class 10th, we are studying biology. It's chapter environment. Today we shall study. It's another topic. That's ecological pyramids. An ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of the relationship between different organisms in an ecosystem. Yum te ekis ecosystems. Must different organisms आसान छ मुख्तलिफ organisms आसान छ producers, consumers, decomposers and different species of organisms. Yum te आसान छ in a in an environment or in an ecosystem, the graphical relationship between those organisms, that is called an ecological pyramid. गो ecological pyramid छ ऐसे हावान graph के ज़रिए relationship between different organisms in an ecosystem. Each of the bars यम अत मज bars इस्तेमाल गसान छ that make up the pyramid represent a different trophic level. प्रथ कह युस अमुक यथ कन हेर पो आसान छ या अमुक बार आसान छ तो सुच अमुक अख हावान पेट लेवल यथ ट्रॉपिक लेवल वना छ ओत तह वनो ट्रॉपिक लेवल प्रथ कह बार अलग ट्रॉपिक लेवल हावान एंड देयर ऑर्डर बेच तिहिंस ऑर्डर हावान कुछ ट्रॉपिक लेवल ये गोडनेथ किस कथ ट्रॉपिक लेवल मज एनर्जी ज्यादा कथ मज कम which is based on who eats whom यानी कत कुस ये कत it is based on who eats whom कुस छ कस खेवान कुस प्रोड्यूसर कुस कंज्यूमर कस खेवान कुस हार्बिवोर कस खेवान कुस प्रोड्यूसर कुस कंज्यूमर कस प्रोड्यूसर खेवान छ represents the flow of energy im such is logis water पर flow of energy por in an ecosystem तो सुच अत पता अस लगा कत पच एनर्जी फ्लो गसान तो कचा एनर्जी छ कत लेवल में स्टोर रोजान कचा छ कत मज लेवल में जाय गसान या लॉस गसान युस ओतर 10% लॉ ते पोर. The ecological pyramids are of three kinds. Ecological pyramids three qisman pyramid of number. It depicts the number of individual organisms at different trophic levels of food chain. Use food chain to asan chu in an ecosystem. It depicts the number of individuals. Prath kun level mas number of individuals roughly kota individual hekan yath mas kota organisms hekan yath mas asit. तो यूता ह्यूर लेवल गसा तूता this number गसा decrease. Pyramid of biomass. The biomass of members of food chain present at one time forms the pyramid of biomass. Biomass यानी उन मज कोता content material छ उन मज कोता mass छ युस आसान छ इन members यम individual आसान छ of food chain सुच आत करा biomass pyramid of biomass. This represents the biomass of members of food chain at a given trophic level on maz kota asan this pyramid the biomass. Then we have pyramid of energy. Isch kara energy ekis level pet ekis level maz kota energy asan. So pyramid of energy it represents the energy present in a trophic level. Go pyramids are three kinds. Pyramid of numbers depicting number of individuals organisms at different trophic levels. Pyramid of biomass represents the food members of biomass of members of food chain present at one time. That time as much kota mass tihindus this body months. Then pyramid of energy each represent number of this joules of energy kota ch prath kun trophic level mas maujood. Which is ecological pyramid? Increase of food chain, increasing level. You go producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary. You go 1, 2, 3, 4 step food chain. 3-step food chain. These green plants, then giraffe, then tie this line. Moving to the pyramid of numbers, each number showing the individual numbers at each trophic level. We say when we use the producer levels, much various these producer organisms, these plants. Which we here chipat consumer atmas varia organisms the rats etc. Chikala decrease timni short chikala decrease here can akui asa. Go it decrease from bottom to top number. Upright pyramid which is upright asa. Upright number kya go bun asan zyad here asan kam. Inverted kya go producer inverted here per passage. Producer herbivore producer akui herbivore is zyad. This पत अम नश ब्या पैरासाइट्स ज्यादा पैरासाइट्स तम नश ज्यादा यह गो इन्वर्टेड ये मज प्रोड्यूसर आसान कम और कंज्यूमर हेर ग ज्यादा. Which biomass producer plant maj hat joule yet go 100 joule yet this hatai yet 10 yet akui tertiary hawks pet biomass bun pet decrease gasan pyramid biomass pyramid ek shit hoyt pyramid this it decrease from bottom to top 1 2 3 4 tropical pyramid biomass yat maj wind level maj zyada yat maj kam yat maj tim nish kam yat maj tim nish kam biomass gasa decrease from bottom to top pyramid biomass ek yet hoyt ye you go inverted kun saat inverted food chain the asan which tat maj inverted maj here pet zyada bun kam kya yat individual bun asa kam here asa zyada you samjhabut inverted in aquatic ecosystems maj tat kya asa gonet producer asa variya kam herbivore chen fish variya zyada hum variya hum te zyada magar chunki num asa variya baj wuch num biomass dolphin ya baj fish these biomass variya zyada bun ch tem nish lak im nish kam jat as bun nish kan ye inverted food chain producer primary consumer secondary consumer tertiary consumer ek chhoyit light energy decompose this produce primary level yat maz shir gasa laas yat maz hay rozan variya kam ite vich to 2020 be to ye was all about this pyramid of ecological pyramids. Hope you have understood it. Further you can consult books at your home, and in fact if you have any problem you can call me at my personal number. Thank you.